Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in this video, we will be taking a look at the newest S9 and S9 Plus leaks to bring you up to date with everything you need to know about these products so far. We will talk about the design, specs, and other features of the S9 and the S9 Plus, such as the fact that the S9 will come with a single camera, while the S9 Plus with a dual camera setup, as well as the potential release date. Now, if you do use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH Online. Let's dive in. So as far as design is concerned, there were some initial rumors about the S9 and S9 Plus that denoted the display size was going to get larger and the bezels were going to get smaller. But now we have some counter rumors and new renders of the S9 and the S9 Plus stating that Samsung will play it safe and retain similar display and bezel dimensions and design. In other words, the S9 and the S9 Plus might end up looking exactly like the S8 and S8 Plus, minus one massive modification on the rear, which, as you can see from these renders, finally moves the fingerprint sensor under the camera and centered on the body, which is obviously great news, but not as great as if we had a fingerprint sensor which was built into the glass on the front. Now, I doubt that's going to happen until the Note 9. Now, these renders were obtained by Gordon Kelly from Forbes magazine in tandem with the case manufacturer Ghosttech. The reason these renders are highly credible is because Ghosttech is already taking orders for these cases. So that means they might have gotten early access to schematics of the S9 and the S9 Plus. Of course, other powerful leakers such as OnLeaks has also confirmed the overall design language. Now, if you look at the leaked renders provided by OnLeaks, we have an S9 here with a single camera on the rear, but an S9 Plus with dual cameras on the rear. Most likely the primary cameras on both smartphones will be identical with 12 megapixels each, while the secondary camera on the S9 Plus will be a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, just like the Note 8. Now let's talk about the specs. Here's an estimate of what to expect. I would be bold enough to say this is probably 85% accurate so far. We will have a Snapdragon 845 processor with 6 GB of RAM. We will not have stereo speakers. It will be the same single mono speakers, but the headphone jack will be present just like the S8 and the S8 Plus. On the rear, we will get centrally positioned cameras and fingerprint sensor. S9 will have a 5.8-inch display, while the S9 Plus will have a 6.2-inch display. Both displays will have a Quad HD Plus resolution and the same aspect ratio as the S8 and the S8 Plus. Obviously, we will retain all the basics such as IP68 water resistance, iris scanner, wireless charging, and such. Now, we're not sure about the exact battery capacity. And that's basically all the updates we have so far based on the latest leaks and rumors. Similar design to the S8 and S8 Plus, single camera on the S8, dual on the S8 Plus, and the mentioned specs. Now, the release date rumors are very obscure. We have dates ranging from February to March to April. Just remember that the S8 was released in April, so it will be within that ballpark. But do not expect a January release. So what do you think? Let me know down below in the comment section what you think of the Galaxy S9. Can Samsung do more, or this is actually a good strategy? Are you actually going to upgrade, or are you going to keep your S8? Or perhaps you haven't gotten one of these, you're waiting for the S9. Maybe you just want to pick the S8, whose price keeps dropping, which is also a fantastic phone. Just let me know your thoughts, concerns, and comments down below. And of course, make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at SAKITECH Online. Also, subscribe to SAKITECH and give this video a thumbs up. Have a fantastic day.